Today we will add a Mixamo animation to our hunting character. So I will show you where we want to do this. We built a hunter's hut and let this guy transport the building material to the building. Now it's built, and then we will set him to work in the hunter's hut. And now you can see he's running to the hunter's hut, theoretically get his bow, and will hunt the first deer. And now he shoots his bow, sail in the wrong direction, and then he just take this deer, but we want him to make an animation to pick up the deer, and later we will add a death animation to the animal. So we want to use this animation from Mixamo to pick up the meat of the deer, basically. And therefore we download this with skin. And let's check out 30 frames per second. We will download this animation, and before we import it to the Unreal Engine, we want to convert it. Because the skeleton bones are not exactly the same from Mixamo, so there is some missing, the spine is missing, I think, and therefore it will not remap correctly. But there is a converter to do this pretty easily, and this is the Mixamo converter. We don't need to update, I think. And therefore we are able to convert the Mixamo skeleton to our Unreal Engine skeleton. When it starts, I'm not sure. Maybe we have to update it. Let's try again. Let's do the update pretty fast. Shouldn't take that long. So this is the tool. Now we have to look for the Mixamo converter. Yes. I'm not sure how to open it up now after the update. Okay, I have him here. Mixamo converter. So here, a little bit of confusing menu, but we have it now. So we have added our animation, and we see here gathering objects is the Mixamo animation, and now we can convert this one, and we have gathering objects in our outgoing FBX folder. And now we import it to our Unreal Engine. Just drag and drop it. We only use the animation with the Mixamo import skeleton. This should work. And now import. And now we have the gathering objects animation here in our Mixamo skeleton. And now we want to retarget the animation to our UEFN mannequin and the gathering objects animation, and we export the animation to our project folder and the UEFN animations in the work folder, and we export it. And now we move it in the hunting folder, and we can check it out. So he's gathering the objects. I have the preview meshes of the X right now, but this will be not in-game. So we rename it. We get a animal. So and then we want an animation montage. For our mannequin, we call it animation montage. Gather animal. And now we have to look what animation notifier we need. I created some C++ animation notifier for gathering, and in this case we want to finish gather notifier after we finished the animation. So let's check how I do it with notifies. I'm always not sure. Oh, this is the wrong animation. We need gather animal animation. Yes, and then we save it. And then I'm not sure why we're not able to add a notification. Here, add notification, finish gather notify. We move it to the end of the animation. And now we are finished creating our animation for Mixamo. And now we go to our character asset. And here the animations are defined. Oh no, it's not in the character asset. It's in the building blueprint because it's a it's not the lumberjack animation, it's the hunter's hut animation. And here I have defined the finish get animation. This should be get animal. And in theory, when my code is correct, now the animation should be played after he's finished with hunting. Let's check out. We built the building. We make him a hunter. He shoots the arrow. Sadly, in such a bad direction. I have to change this, obviously. And now he's gathering the deer. It's removed. And he goes home. I think that's perfect. Let's check out when he's doing another deer. He's running in the direction. He sadly misses, but the deer stops moving anyway. And now he get up. Yes. Perfectly. And now imagine the deer would be lying on the floor. Perfect animation. So that was the video for today. It's a small task, but effective. And without the Mixamo converter from this company, so the Terribilis launcher, it would be much more complicated. So shout out to this when you use it, donate. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.